What if you could clone yourself as a developer and have multiple AI versions of you working on different parts of your codebase at the same time? Welcome to TechGuardian Academy Episode 9 of our Claude Code Masterclass. Today we are unlocking one of the most powerful features, the Agent SDK and Subagents. So what exactly is the Agent SDK? Think of it as a framework for building specialized AI workers. Instead of one Claude doing everything, you can create focused agents, a security reviewer, a test writer, a documentation generator, each with their own tools and expertise. Let me show you how to create a subagent. You define them in a markdown file inside your .claude/agents folder. Each agent has a name, a description, the tools it can use, and its system instructions. For example, you might create a security reviewer agent that has access to read, grep, and glob tools, and is instructed to look for injection vulnerabilities, authentication flaws, and secrets in code. To use your agent, you simply ask Claude to use it. Say something like, use the security reviewer to audit the source directory. Claude spawns the subagent as an isolated worker. It does its research, reads the files, and reports back a summary, without cluttering your main conversation context. This is incredibly useful because context is your most valuable resource in Claude Code. Every file read, every command output fills up the context window. Subagents protect your main session by doing the heavy research in isolation. Now let us talk about Worktrees. When you run Claude with the Worktree flag, it creates an isolated copy of your repository in a separate branch. This means you can have multiple Claude sessions working in parallel on different features without them interfering with each other. Imagine one Worktree handling a new authentication feature while another fixes a performance bug. Each works independently, and when they are done, you review and merge the changes. It is parallel development powered by AI. Plans are another key feature. When you enter plan mode, Claude analyzes your code base and creates a detailed implementation strategy before writing any code. You can review the plan, make annotations, and approve it before Claude executes. This gives you control over complex tasks while still leveraging AI speed. Let us quickly recap what we learned. The Agent SDK lets you build specialized AI workers called subagents. Worktrees enable parallel development across isolated branches. And plan mode gives you a review step before implementation. Together, these features turn Claude Code from a coding assistant into a full development team. For more details, check out the Claude Code documentation at claude.ai/code. Subscribe and hit the bell for our final episode, where we cover pro tips and advanced workflows that will save you hours every week.